Good morning, students. Last class we learned about the structure of graphite. Today we are going to learn the properties of graphite and its use. First property, it has a metallic texture and is opaque to light. Second property, it is a very stable allotropy of carbon, but at a very high temperature and pressure, it can be transformed into artificial diamonds. It is more reactive than diamond. This is the third chemical property. It is chemically more reactive than diamond. Fourth one, its density is 2.25 gram per cc. Fifth one, it is a good conductor of electricity due to its free electrons. I told you, in graphite, the fourth valence electron is free. When we studied the structure, I told you it's a fourth electron. One electron is free. So that free electron is responsible for the conductivity of electricity. It is insoluble in ordinary solvent. Its melting point is 3730 degrees Celsius, high melting point. Its structure, it is soft and it is used as a lubricant because of its layers. One layer can slip over another. So, it is using as a lubricant. These are the properties of graphite. Next is the use of graphite. It is using for making lead pencils because when it is mixing with clay or finely powdered sand, as it leaves a mark on paper. Second use, it can use for making electrodes. You know what is electrodes? Electrolysis, when we studied, you know cathode and anode, where the rod through which electricity can pass. So, through graphite electricity can pass, so it is used for making electrode, and it is chemically inactive and a good conductor of electricity. Third use, it is using for making refractory crucible, means small vessels which is using in the laboratory for heating purpose. It can withstand, it can afford a large heat. So because of this reason, it is using for making laboratory crucibles, laboratory small vessels which is using for heating purpose. This is the, and it is a good conductor of heat also. This is the third use of graphite. Fourth use, as a lubricant. Because of its weak van der Waals force, it is using as a lubricant. One layer can slide over another. So, it is using for making lubricant. Fifth use, it is using in nuclear reactor. To control the nuclear reaction, it is using, graphite rods are using in nuclear reactors. So these are the uses of graphite. So the two crystalline forms of carbon over, one is diamond and the another is graphite. Third, one more form of crystalline form is there, children, that is called by fluorine. It is a naturally occurring allotropy of carbon in which 60 carbon atoms are linked to form a stable structure. It is a recently discovered allotropy of carbon. In 1985, it discovered. This allotropy looks like a football stadium developed by an American engineer, Buckminster Fuller. So, because of his name, this newly discovered allotropy of carbon is called by Fuller. It is like a football stadium, and in this 60 carbon atoms are linked together, form a stable structure. Its property: it is yellowish in color and has a specific gravity from 1.8 to 2.1. It is soluble in organic solvents. Organic solvent like petrol, toluene, these all are organic solvents. It is a non-conductor of electricity and it is an insulator. It is more reactive than diamond and graphite. Its use: it is using as superconductors, semiconductors, lubricants and as a catalyst. So this is all about fluorines. So children, the 3 crystalline forms of carbon is finished. Today's homework for you: first one, write 5 properties of graphite. Second one, write 5 uses of graphite. Third question, what is fluorine? Write. Fourth question, write its 3 property and 3 uses. This much question you should write in your chemistry copy. Children, worksheet is there in your book. Up to here, worksheet is there. Up to here, whatever I told you, you have to complete the worksheet also. Worksheet is in the page number 155 that you should complete in your book itself. Thank you, children.